Alright, here's the latest street rod to come into Unique Specialty and Classics. 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe 2-door. A very reliable driver quality car. As you can see, it's kind of a powder blue, almost a little bit of teal to it when you see it in person. It might come out a little more blue on the video here. You can also check out the still pictures so you can get an idea, but still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Powering this vehicle underneath the hood, 350 small block Chev. That is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Nicely equipped. This car does have power steering, vintage AC and heat were added. It's a very late 80s build, early 90s build. Was a frame-off restoration. Seems to be a pretty solid car. You can check out the underside pics too at that website I mentioned earlier. Feel free to call us too if you have any questions on this car. 507-386-1726. You can see car is very straight. Paint has a nice luster to it. There is one spot on the driver's side where I noticed a little bit of checking. When I get around there, I'll see if I can get it to show up on the camera here. The paint's not bad on it. Again, I would call it a nice driver quality, and it is a reliable driving car. Has been to a lot of events here in the area. Has a kind of a cloth tweed, light blue gray combination interior. Still in nice shape. Aftermarket gauges all seem to work in the dash. Again, feel free to check out the still pictures. That underside, interior, trunk, engine compartment. uniqueclassiccars.com. See, it's riding on some polished aluminum wheels. See, the center holes have been painted to match the color of the car, give it a cool look. This does have electric poppers for the door and the trunk. There's a key fob with them, and there's also on the driver's side, about midway through the door underneath where there's a popper. On the inside there's a button that'll pop the trunk, or the key fob will also pop the trunk, and those are all functioning. LED taillights. Just so you know too, it's got a Nova subframe, 10-bolt rear. Windshield wipers do work in this one also. Like I said, it spent some time on the road in our area. It's been driven, so like I said, it is a nice driver. Let's go ahead and I'll pop the driver's door here so you got a good chance to look at the paint around it. See if I can get that spot here to a little bit of checking if I can get it to show up right there. That's being pretty fussy, but trying to give you a fair idea what the paint's like. Other than that, it's, like I said, got a very nice luster to it. The popper is about right underneath here, the door. That's about midway through the door. I'm just going to reach in since the window's down, but it does have a popper that works on the outside. So retaining the stock bench style seat, just been recovered and done up. Door cards. Let's go ahead and start this up. See the aftermarket gauges. That 350 starts up easily. Radio and everything works in it. Headliner's in good shape. Plenty of room in the back seat. Got grandkids or friends want to do a little cruising with you, going to shows or out for an ice cream run. Nice room in the back seat. So nicely the door closes. Fits very cleanly. Slip around to the back so you can hear this 350 rumble. Nothing crazy, slight cam in it. Again, just a nice, straight running, driving, reliable car. So there you have it, 1941 Chevy Street Rod. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. As always, give us a call if you'd like to know about transportation to where you're located at or have any questions on this car. 507-386-1726.